Hello from my food forest. So this is just a quick video to show you how I am maintaining my raised garden beds. So this is one of a few I've got in my food forest in the annual garden, and I just harvested the potatoes last week, and before I plant anything else, this is what I'm doing actually today. I have dug a trench, so you can see the mound here. This is the soil from the middle here. I took it to the side and basically made a trench, and now Seb helped me to empty the box here. This was a mixed chicken manure from the coop with hay, and I also add some wood ash and some water to keep it moist. And this was sitting in there actually like this one here under cover. This is the second one I've got, which will be used for another garden bed. So this is what it looks like. So now we moved it into here. I will water it now and cover again with the soil, and that's what I will be doing now. We didn't have rain for quite, I think maybe 3 weeks or something, so the soil is pretty dry.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. Meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me, we're meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
So my garden bed is happy and healthy. The soil is enriched and ready for planting. So as you can see, this is really easy. Just have some aged manure, animal manure. It's always the best if you have it ready. And this is super important, digging the trench and putting the manure under the surface. You shouldn't have the chicken manure or any animal manure, any manure have exposed to your growing vegetables. Cover it with soil, either top up with soil or dig a trench as I did. Mulch is keeping the soil cool in summer and also moist, which is very important for the soil life as well. And all the little creatures in there, they are pulling the mulch into the soil, digesting it and releasing the fertilizer, the nutrients, which we all want in our garden beds. We are now approaching summer. We have end of November in our subtropics here in Australia, and I will be planting some vegetable which is really happy with our hot summer. So there are plenty of different greens and vegetables which can be grown in a hot summer in our climate, and I think this will be the next video I will do, and will show you what I am growing during the hot summer. So I hope you liked the video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe, and hit the bell if you still didn't, to get notified when I'm uploading my next video. And yeah, I wish you all the best with all your garden projects. I would love to hear from you. Drop a comment below under the video and tell me what are you growing during summer, if you live in tropics or subtropics, and yeah, how your gardens are doing. Or just comment on anything. Maybe you have a question or something, so yeah, I would love to hear from you. All right, take care guys, and see you next time. Bye bye.